to the Science for Kids channel. Today, we will be talking about sound waves. Long time no see, let's get right in. Okay, so what are sound waves? Well, they're just vibrations in the air of air particles. You hear that by sound waves. So these are tuning forks. They can shake. You can see the vibrations here. So you can see the water splashing everywhere because it was vibrating. Okay, so we have two boom whackers. Why do you think we have two? Well, the shorter it is, the higher the frequency. Let's see. So, what if I want more than two different size tones? Well, here's a glockenspiel. You can see there are many different tones right here. And if I can play each one, you'll see they have a different tone. And the shorter it is, the higher the frequency. You can see here, as opposed to a longer one. So, when I strike this, the vibration moves along the key, and the key hits the air particle, which causes a sound, as the vibration just moves along the air. You can see from here, if I touch this, you can hear a sound. And sound travels very fast too, which means you can hear it almost instantaneously. Okay, so as you can see here, the strings are all the same length. But if I play them, they all have a different tone. But why is that? Well, basically, the thickness also matters. You can see here that these things look thinner than these ones. And if you look really closely, and try to get a zoom in, you can see that these are actually slightly thinner than these. It's actually really cool. If you ever see a guitar, try to look really closely and you'll see that they're all different thicknesses. But how come if you press this, this happens? But if you don't press it, this happens? Well, it's actually because when you press it down, you decrease the length, which causes an increase in tone or frequency. Alright, so that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and it feels good to be back. Again, if you subscribe and like, I might do a different video. So, I'll see you guys next time.